I touch, that's fine for you. I do that 3 more times again, I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch like.
What's up guys, it's your girl Samarra and we back with another video. This marks the beginning of my birthday preparations. Your girl's turning the big 2-0. Hello. Started this channel when I was like what, 14? So for me to turn 20 is crazy. But yeah, your girl's going on a trip for her birthday. Today is August the 10th. I am leaving August 14th, so I have this whole weekend. Today's Thursday. I have today, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to get my life together before Monday. I'm finna go get my lashes done. I usually never get my lashes done for my birthday. This is the first year I'm getting my lashes done for my birthday. But I'm getting it done this year because I am doing twists for my hairstyle, and I feel like that's like something people have already seen me in, something really like calm. So I just wanted to like, you know, like amplify the glam. Yeah, so I'm finna head over there soon. My appointment's at 4:55, so I'm probably gonna leave the crib by like 4:10. Yeah guys, let's start this preparation for the big 2-0 right now. Alright guys, so we about to be on our way, but I have to pass by the bank first. Shorty wants cash. I really hate that. Why does everything gotta be cash? I mean, I get it because like sometimes like I get it. Okay, I get it. If I was doing some hair, nails or something, I want my cash too so I could just deposit it. But I feel like I'd give the option for Zelle. Like, feel me? Like, I feel like Zelle is also a very reliable way because it goes straight to your account. But I'm guessing people really be finessing the system. Oh, that's my credit card. I love when I drive close enough to the machine that I don't have to go reaching. Like, I hope my dad is ready because I'm not gonna be late to this appointment. If I'm late, he's paying the fee. Respect. Hey guys, I'm at my appointment. Give a little wave. I'm finna put her information on the screen because I know she's gonna eat, so I'm excited. Period. Okay, let me close my.
Look at her. Look at the woman, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her.
Like cat eye.
Let's get into it.
Get into it.
Let us eat. Thank you. Okay guys, I am home so I can show y'all up close and personal, but these are my lashes. But I keep getting told that I have a lot of lashes, and like I'm guessing it's true because this is like the third person to tell me this. But this is it. I really love the length, the fullness. They always say it's a little bit more full because I have more lashes, so the fullness I'm not even gonna stress because I know it's gonna like get less full by Monday. I really like it. It's so cute. I tipped her and everything, so yeah, lashes done. Next thing we have on the list is my coochie. Aha! Hey y'all, it's the next day and your girl's about to get her nails done. My friend is doing my nails, so I'm about to head over and do it. I was originally supposed to do my nails Sunday, but she asked me if I can come today, and it's actually better because I can knock more things out. So I'm gonna do my nails, and then after that I'm gonna get my wax, and then once I get home, like once I'm done with those 2 appointments, I'm finna start my hair. So it's gonna be a long day. I'm probably not gonna sleep tonight, respectfully, because I have to finish my hair before tomorrow, or like, yeah, before tomorrow starts, because I have an appointment. I'm gonna talk to y'all once I get there.
Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby, come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga.
Go lives. Period. Bro, my camera is really broken. But your girl's nails are done. Period. I'm gonna give y'all a close-up later. I'm kind of in a rush, but my nails are done and I love them. My friend ate that. Y'all need to subscribe. Oh, I fixed it. Y'all need to tap in with my girl. Her name is Bubbly Nails on Instagram. Go ahead and tap in with her because she's an upcoming nail artist in the Massachusetts area and she did her thing. Y'all, I'm about to go get my coochie waxed. I'm probably not gonna bring the camera with me because I'm going to a different lady and I just want to survive. I literally just washed my hair so fast, y'all. I haven't finished blow drying it, but when I get back, the plan is to blow dry my hair and start my hair because your girl finally got her hair in the package and I hope it's good. But yeah, so I'm just gonna, next time y'all see me, we finna be doing my hair. Hey guys, it is several hours later. I have not updated y'all because your girl been trying to just finish her hair, so let me show y'all the update. This is how it's looking. Actually, let me do it this way. I don't know if my camera is showing it well, but this is how it's looking. It's coming out super duper cute. I didn't even use the right hair. I had to get a different hair texture and it's still doing the job. Like, respectfully, it's still doing the job. So that's why I didn't update y'all because my friends are trying to go out tonight and your girl needs to finish her head. So I'll be back, okay? Okay guys, it's the next day and your girl is still doing her hair. So let me tell you what happened. I had finished my hair yesterday, but I was literally rushing to finish it because, like I said, I had to go out. So I'm tired. So it's 11:27. I have an appointment at 2, but I just want to freshen up the front of the hair because, like I said, I rushed the front and that's the most important part. So that's what we're doing right now. I have these 4 left to freshen up. So one.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone and you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me?
I'm not where I wanna be, but I thank God I'm not where I used to be. Blessings, 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 blessings.
Alright guys, so my hair is done. I put it in this wrap because when I moussed it and shined it, I just want to make sure that like it's laid through. I might keep it in this until I have to go out, but guess what? I am about to be on my way to my tattoo appointment. I'm excited, I'm scared, but I'm excited. My Uber is 2 minutes away. Look, I'm getting the notification. I don't know what to expect. I keep hearing that it hurts and it don't hurt. I'm just gonna expect that it hurts. But we're gonna see. I also have to tell my mother, so we're gonna get that reaction on camera. My Haitian mother. But yeah, I'm so excited. Let me show y'all my little fit. It's not really a fit because it's hot. I'm just wearing a white beater with some leggings, Nike socks, and bubble slides. Y'all, I'm really loving my lashes. Like, my lashes look good. She ate that down real bad. And your girl have no makeup on. My skin looks so good. Y'all, August is just filled with good vibes, bro. Like, literally this whole morning, I just been vibing. Like, I'm just in good spirits. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna see y'all at the appointment.
Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I can't, but I don't.
Tied it up, tied it up, tied it up. Tattoo literally took 5 minutes. Like, that's aside from him prepping my arm. 5 minutes, y'all, for a freaking tattoo? Hello? I'm obsessed. Like, I'm geeked. Oh my god. I'm finna show y'all when I unwrap it. I should have told him to record on my camera, but I have it recording on my phone. But I'm just so excited, y'all. Countdown to Puerto motherfucking Rico. Countdown to Big 2-0, Big Leo, not little. Hello. Good morning, guys. Woohoo. It's officially less than 24 hours until I'm flying out of here for PR. Okay, guys, so today, what's on the agenda? I have to pack my clothes and make sure they're all fitted me well and look good. I gotta get my toes done and my eyebrows done. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna be vlogging today. Very excited. So crazy how we're coming towards the end of the preparation vlog. Like, it's been a roller coaster. So yeah, let's get the day started. Oh, I forgot, I didn't show y'all my tattoo, but this is how it looks. It's so nice, y'all. I had to pick up a bag from Nordstrom. I made my mom pick it up. It's the lower. So we're gonna open it and see how it looks. It look crazy. Oh, this is cute. This is how it looks, y'all. This is real cute. This is real cute. It's a little flimsy, but I think it's because it's been packaged up. But this is cute. I like this.
Baby, I just want you to give. Baby, I've been a little foul. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right.
Hey y'all, I'm back and I literally forgot about you guys, literally. But my eyebrows is done. You can't really tell because I'm currently trying to clean my face, but my eyebrows is done. She ate that little one toe, okay? And she ate on my toes. as well, like, y'all. And I keep refreshing the front of my hair because I need that thing to look good, okay? Like, I'm not about to go on a trip with my hair looking crazy, but like, as you can see here, my hair is starting to poke out a little bit and it's getting on my nerves, but I'm trying not to be too much of a perfectionist, but it is really irritating me, so that might get fixed too. Who knows? But yeah, y'all, basically everything is done. Like, all I have to do is pack my bag. Thank y'all for watching this video. Stay tuned for the part 2 of the actual vlog of when we land in Puerto Rico, because hello, my birthday vlog is gonna be lit this year. I'm excited. I'm just super duper excited. So thank y'all for watching this video, and I'll see y'all in my next one.